Sir, there are certain questions which are coming till now. We mostly have received demands in the form of questions. We are not getting many questions till now. Almost everything has already been covered in the society, in the this policy, and whatever was remaining has been covered in in clear terms in today's presentation also. But still, there are a few things like it has been asked by some of the schools. Okay, whether the sixth subject can be used for the purpose of calculation.
No, as far as calculation is concerned, we have especially mentioned in our policy that only 5 main subjects, which will be reflecting as first 5 subject in the mark sheet, or they have submitted in the LOC. Only these could be considered. No other subject could be considered for calculating the mean of the best 3 performing subjects.
Sir, similarly, there is one more query coming from a number of schools, whether we will be giving grades this year also.
The grade is, there are 2 things, because what I have got from the schools, that why in place of the marks we are not giving the grade. So again, there is a policy issue, and now policy is decided. I wish that every student, these students should not be treated separately because of the pandemic. So we will be providing the marks, and the grade, which is 1/8 of the topmost, which is reflected in at the back of the mark sheet also, that will certainly be reflected in the mark sheet along with the marks.
One more issue has been put forth by the schools, that the policy is a bit complex. The calculation portion of the policy is a bit complex than class 10. Why so?
Say class 10th is, they are in our system only. Okay, we can take care to the class 10th student 2 more years, whether they are in CBSE or going to some other board. But as far as class 12 is concerned, it is very, very important that we should ensure that the assessment which is being done by the CBSE, that is most reliable. And therefore, we have gone for the 3 classes. And with the help of these 3 classes, we will be calculating, though it could be complicated, little bit complicated. But I would say the kind of features which Dr. Jory is providing in the software, no calculation need to be made by the schools, except when they will be going for the moderation. So that is certainly very, very important, because the important responsibility of the result committee is to moderate the marks based on the performance of the students and on other issues which have been reflected in the policy.
Sir, one more question is coming about the mistake in the calculation of marks, who have changed the subjects and changed the streams.
No, they need not to worry. No, there be any mistake. When I will be sending the presentation today, one example is given over there, and with that, school can rectify themselves that what is the correct method of finding out the average in the case which you have explained over here. So with that, they will be, because it is the mathematical issue. So sometimes someone is calculating in some manner, sometimes in some other manner, but they have to go by virtue of our policy only.
Sir, although the issue is same and it was raised by so many schools in class 10th policy also, but still some schools are asking, is there any provision that school can change the year of reference year?
No, change the reference year, because the reference year which have been provided by the CBSE, that is the reference year by which school would be able to get the best of the result. But currently, one thing which I would like to highlight over here, I am really happy that I have got many phone calls from the schools where they have stated and shown the concern that with the help of your policy, students are getting too much of high marks, though these students don't deserve for these high marks. So can we go lesser also? So there are such schools also who are saying that no, we have to go for the lesser one. So as far as reference year is concerned, they can't change the reference year. But if they wish that no, their result could be little bit lesser than the reference year, there is no problem. But result cannot be above the reference year in case of class 12, except plus minus 2 marks, which we have stated as per policy or in our policy.
Sir, there is one more query. The school, although it has been made clear in our circular dated 29/6, will we get a chance to update the marks of class 11th, which we already uploaded and finalized?
It is very categorically explained by Dr. Johari that whatever 11th marks have been uploaded, they will be treated as fine. And when they will be getting the marks at this portal, 11, 12 and total, then they can moderate the marks in any of the class. Class 11, they can moderate. Class 12, they can moderate, because with the policy, with the marks which have been provided by CBSE, I feel that they would be able to get the best of the result.
Sir, there is next question was about the same thing that you just explained now, but for the purpose of clarity, I'll repeat it again. Question is whether moderation is to be given separately in both the classes 11th and 12th, or at the time of finalization of entire result of class 12. Please guide us.
What is stated, Dori, that you will be getting the total marks 11, 12 and then total. Now, if say student have performed very well in class 11th and you don't want to moderate the class 11th mark, you can go for the 12th. And if 12th he has done better, you can go for the moderation of class 11th marks. So in either way, you can moderate. Total you can moderate. Say 2 marks could be added in the 11th and 3 marks could be added in the 12th, or 5 marks could be added in 12th and 5 marks could be added in 11th. Any school will be allowed to make the changes or be moderate the marks awarded by them in class 11th and 12th. That is over there.
Sir, one question is being asked about in case of children with special needs, is there a separate criteria for calculation of?
No, we have already clarified each and everything in this regard. And schools, there are few schools or specific schools where these students are going. They are already taking up the interest for these students. And I feel that what we have stated in class 12, for the other students, the same could be done for them also. Schools could be a little bit more generous for these students if they feel so.
Sir, the last 2 questions are, these are general questions, but if here, it will, lay to rest some very, many more calls and emails in future. One is about point number 16 and 17 of the policy, which the school is asking. As per point number 16 and 17 of the policy, CBSE should make the schools clear with what type of documents are they expecting school to be ready with. Say, in such scenario, we have already stated that the rationale document which is to be prepared by the schools, that need to be kept very safely, and all the relevant documents from where they have taken the information, extracted the information, they all should be intact. So these are the 2 documents generally. A number of documents could be more, but these are the 2 types. These document certainly could be the e-document, but in case of the rational document, I would certainly say the signed document. And the other document could be the electronic document also. So everything need to be kept very safely by the school. Say if some school have conducted the examination online, so the online performance of the student be available with them. If CBSE wants, approach to the school, request to the schools to provide the same to us. Sir, the last question is, will the students be getting certificates this year also? Which certificate? That we used to get earlier. Every person is getting a number of hits. Everyone would be getting this similar kind of certificate and sheet which was given to them. The only thing which I would like to explain to each and every school present over here, that the CBSE in its examination committee decided long back before the pandemic that this year also similar to the class 10th certificate, mark sheet cum certificate will be provided
there will be only one document which will be having the marks, photograph of the student, other information, these messages or the information pertaining to the certificate. Everything will be over there. So only one certificate will be provided to the student in place of the two which were provided earlier. That is, one is the mark sheet and another one is the passing certificate. So in place of two, one certificate, combined form similar to class 10th, which has been provided by CBSE last year only.
Sir, these were all the questions that were getting maximum hits. Otherwise, we are having questions based on individual, queries that will try to answer back to ROs as well as schools individually. But we are still working on it, sir. The question we start getting will request you to add in FAQs. And this is all for now, sir, for today.